Hey guys, so this is the reservoir for the Lian Evo XL case. It's a single loop for a D5 pump. It has a total of 10 G1/4 ports, 2 ports dedicated for the CPU, 2 for the GPU, 2 for the top radiator and 2 for the bottom radiator. If you want to connect a third radiator to it, you will need to connect it in series with either the top or bottom radiator, as I have on this example. The reservoir holds about 750 millimeters of liquid. That does not include any of the tubes or radiators you might connect to. It also has a ARGB LED strip. All you will need to do is connect this into a ARGB controller or directly into the motherboard. Just make sure the plug is tripping 5 volts. The way you mount the reservoir inside the case, you might need to remove the top, bottom and side radiators to have access to 4 mounting points inside the case. You also are gonna need a magnetic screwdriver, as it can be a challenge to reach the 4 mounting points. So having a magnetic screwdriver will make it easier. Also, do not over tighten the screws, as it can strip the threads on the acrylic. This reservoir was mainly designed to have the motherboard in the middle tier. So if you're planning to have the motherboard either at the top or bottom tier, some bends will be necessary to connect this more into a parallel setup. Another thing will be the distance for the radiators. The distance between the 2 ports is actually 71 millimeters and was mainly designed for 420 radiators. But if you're planning to use 360 radiators, one of the ports might not line up, so you're gonna need either some offset fittings or a little bend to connect to it. You have about 90 millimeters of total space for the top and bottom, so you can put up to a 60 millimeter radiator with 30 millimeter fans on the top and bottom. As for the side, there is really not a limit. The only thing to look for will be the size of the top and bottom radiators. So this is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.